wander open roads with us to Little River Canyon. Hi, this is Miko.
And Robin.
And we're Wander Open Roads.
So today we're checking out Little River Canyon, which is in northeast Alabama near Fort Payne, and it's supposed to be one of the best motorcycle routes in the area.
Looking forward to it.
Absolutely.
If you like to hit the open road as much as we do, be sure to like this video and subscribe.
And hit the bell for notifications when we release new content. So the route that we're on now is the Little River Canyon Rim Parkway, also known as Alabama State Route 176, which is a 22-mile scenic drive that runs along the Little River Canyon National Preserve in northeast Alabama. Along the route, there are many lookout points and smaller canyons that you can see, along with a view of Alabama's highest waterfall, Grace's High Falls.
One of the things that I liked about this route was being able to see the canyon from different vantage points. I mean, there were definitely a few clearings throughout the route where you were able to kind of see through the trees and see the canyon, as well as spots that were really open where you had a very clear view of the canyon itself.
Yeah, I mean, this is definitely one of the deepest canyons east of the Mississippi, that you're going to find. So yeah, it was really beautiful, and like you said, every lookout had a little bit different type of view, from each one.
Yes, very beautiful.
So when you're on this ride, you definitely have to stop off at some of the lookouts and just enjoy the beauty.
Oh yeah, just very beautiful to see. I'm sure in the fall it's amazing.
Oh yeah, we definitely have to go back in the fall. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So this is at the end of the route, right where the falls are, and yeah, there were actually some people down on the water and some trails that you could take down to get in the water.
Yeah, to get a closer view. I mean, it's really pretty down in that part of the river.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thanks for joining us on this motorcycle ride.
And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Be sure to check out our selection of motorcycle shirts. Links will be in the description.